Wagtail. Today I'm going back to where I was doing testing on the Wagtail Flow that I modified. The reason why I'm doing this, I wasn't even cleaning that place. I just cleaned the outside of that entranceway just for testing purposes. So we're testing this together. So today I'm going back. The reason why I'm doing that is it'll allow me to make a decision on what kind of changes need to be made. And if I can indeed use tap water. We're going to see if it's spotted up. If not, then we'll have to go with distilled water, which is no big deal. But the corners is what I'm really concerned about. So we're going to see how that turned out. And I'll give you all some feedback. See you when we get there. Okay, we're here. We are here. Let's see what's on and popping. Let's see what's crack-a-lacking. All right, there is some spotting, but it's minimal. It's not very much. But if it was distilled water, see, I kind of knew it was going to spot up. But that's okay. The corners actually really don't look too bad now that I'm looking at it. It's passable. But if you really wanted to get precise, I think I am going to go ahead and do that solution to the ends. But for the most part, I'm satisfied. Using pure water, you see I got this big run right down here. Yeah, I get that distilled water. I think we're going to be good to go. And then I do that little extension on that part for scrubbing right up to the corners. It's a simple little trick that you'll see when I'm done. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking of putting in magic erasers only on the corner just to scrub even harder. You'll see what I mean in the next few videos. I may show y'all what I'm going to do. I may or may not. I don't know. But needless to say, I have a house coming up tomorrow. The lady just called me today. She's going to remove all the screens. You got to love it when customers go to work for me. Go to work for, whoever is quoting the job. I'm talking about y'all. You got to love it, You see, I get my customers to go along with me. I let them know off the jump. Like, listen, if you want me to take the screens out, it's going to be more money. But if you want to save money, you can have the screens removed, seeing as how we're only doing the outside, if it's something you don't mind. Either way, I have to get inside. Once they hear I got to get inside, especially with this corona stuff going on, that just makes it even better. All I got to do is come there and do what they paid me to do and get the heck out of Dodge, and make good money at it. But that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Macafrackalacka. Peace, peace, peace. Come back tomorrow and watch the video on that house. I'll be uploading it, if not tomorrow, on Wednesday.